Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head is a song written by Bert Bacharach and Hal for the 1962 film Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid. Bacharach, superb musician, wrote 73 US and 52 UK top hits, and his music is characterised by unusual chord changes and time signature. The film is based on a true story, and the song is about overcoming troubles and worries. Some people, including Robert Redford, one of the stars of the film, felt the song had the wrong tone for a Western film, and other major singers rejected singing it. But it was a massive hit. The single by B.J. Thomas reached number 1 on the charts in the United States, Canada and Norway, and sold over 2 million copies. It also won the Oscar for the Best Original Song and the Best Original Score. There are a lot of chords in this song, but none are very difficult, so it's worth having a go at it. I'll sing it, and then I'll go with all the chords in order at the end. Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops are falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. Nothing's worrying me. As I say, there's a lot of chords in this song, 12 in fact, but they're all fairly easy to finger, although some may be less usual than others. It's in a key of C, so it starts with a C chord. Raindrops are falling, a C major 7, one finger down, and then another one finger down for a C7. And that's quite a usual sequence. You quite often get that. And it goes to a G minor chord, just like the C7, guy whose feet are an F chord, too big for E minor 7. May surprise you because you may have seen the same box shape as a G6, but then 6th chords and minor 7th chords use the same notes. I've explained that in other videos. The A7, nothing seems to fit. A7 goes, D minor, raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. Now you don't have to do this, but the suspended 4th, G7, sounds quite nice. The next bit's the same. Then it goes one thing I know, major 7th, the D blues, G minor, descend to greet me, G7, won't defeat me. Then another usual chord, A minor, won't be long till D minor, happiness. Again, you don't have to do this, but that sounds nice. Greet me. The 2 oblique strokes mean you play the chord once, like that. But again, that's up to you. Well, let's repeat. And then after that it goes, because I'm free, an F chord, nothing's worrying me. And same thing again at the end of the next section, because I'm free, but a D minor chord this time. Nothing's worrying me. Nothing's worrying me. I finish with the harmonics at the 12th fret, but you don't have to do that. Just finish with a C chord. If you enjoyed that and found it useful, as it happens, as you can see, it is raining at the moment, so it's an appropriate song. Anyway, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.